Hey guys, welcome back to Power Automotive, and today we're going to be talking about this P&S Pro Series Bug Off Insect Remover. This product right here is going to be great at cleaning up exterior of your vehicles, especially if you guys have a lot of buildup from bugs, insects, and tend to get stuck on the bumper. This product right here does work very well at breaking apart that buildup, and you guys can actually pour this bug off into an IK sprayer like one of these right here. We're going to actually go in, we're going to spray this directly on top of that surface of the vehicle, and as you're going through the surface of the vehicle, you want to make sure you're picking out those areas where you're seeing a lot of buildup. You want to cover those areas with the product. You're going to go in with a microfiber towel, just getting any excess bug residue off the front of your vehicle. And in case you guys didn't know, this bug off spray is windshield safe. So if you guys do have a lot of bug residue and buildup on the front of your windshield, this product will work well at breaking apart any buildup. You can actually find this P&S product here at powautomotive.com. We'll see you guys next time.